Alright, hey, what's up? Welcome back. Remember, my name is Coach Portia. You can always call me Coach P if you would like. Alright, so if you are joining in with us right now, we are just going to do a cool down. I do thank you all for being with me today. Alright, so for our cool down, what we're going to start off and do is put our feet together. We're going to take our hands and we are going to move them like this. We're going to get down low. And then bring it back up. All right, so we are going to do this 5 times. So remember, you're going to put your feet together. Spread your hands like this. Move them almost like you're yawning. You're going to get down and swipe back up. And we're going to remember to breathe all throughout this. So we are going to do it for 5 times, all right? We're going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Oh, yeah. All right, shake it out. Okay, the next thing we are going to do are some body rolls. I love these, and so I hope you do too. How you do this is you're just going to keep your feet together again, but we are going to move each vertebrae down slowly until we melt all the way down to the ground. We'll hold it there for just 1 second, and we're going to bring our bodies back up, and your head should be the last thing to come up, all right? So we will do this all together now. We'll do about 3 of these, okay? So we'll start now. Remember, each vertebrae goes down. Slowly. Slowly, we're melting all the way down. Remember to breathe. We're going to come up. Slowly, you might look like a zombie in this one. Remember, the last thing to come up is always your head. Hello. All right, back down. Slowly. If you are still with me, say, I'm melting. I'm melting. Right, then I'm going to come back up. Remember, the head is the last thing to come back up. If you're still with me, say, what up? And one more time. Slowly melting to the ground. We're going to come back up. All right, nice. Okay, so the last thing I have for you all today is to thank you so much for playing with me. I want to do a cheer with you all. The cheer we are going to do is called the Who Rock cheer. All right, so this is how it's going to work. I will say, who rock, who rock, who rock. When I point to you, I want you to say, we rock, we rock, we rock. All right, so one more time, I will say, who rock, who rock, who rock. I'll point to you, and you will say, we rock, we rock, we rock. All right, we're going to have some little dance moves going. We're going to have some fun with this one. All right, so remember, we're going to say, who rock, you will say, we rock. All right, we're going to start now. Who rock, who rock, who rock? I said, who rock, who rock, who rock? Who rock, who rock, who rock? Who rock, who rock, who rock? Yeah, clap it up for yourselves. You do rock. You are awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a lot of fun. Remember, if you guys want more videos, keep tuning in. And they'll be coming, all right? I'll see you all